borrow that top. Let me borrow that top. I wanna borrow that top. That's such a cute top. That's a cute top. I wanna borrow it. Let me borrow the top. Aren't we friends? Aren't we friends? So what's the problem? Let me borrow the top. Let me borrow that 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 fucking top. Don't be a bitch. Don't be a bitch. Don't be a bitch. Let me that top. What are you saving it for? You're not even wearing it. You're not gonna wear it. So let me borrow it. I've already been to the mall. Yeah, Maria. I've already been to the mall. I've already been to the mall. And it sucks. I've already been to heaven. I've already been to heaven. I've already been to heaven. After 5 minutes, I was like, let's go. Give me that fucking top, bitch. Come on, bitch. Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Give me that top. Give me that fucking top, bitch. Give me that fucking top, bitch. Fuck you. Fuck you, fat bitch. Oh yeah, I said you're fat. Yeah, I said you're fat. You're a fat fucking bitch because you won't let me borrow that fucking top.